Hey guys, so if you want some help with setting up your bibliography, this is how you would do it. So I'm in a blank document. Okay, I've opened up my own. So you're going to come up here to where it says Untitled Document. You're going to type in your last name, and then you're going to put Research Assignment number 3, Annotated Bibliography. Okay. Then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to set up my MLA format. There is a video on this already, so I'm just re-explaining how to do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is go up here to Insert, and then I'm going to insert a header. Okay, and so notice this gray box comes up. Anything that's in this gray box up here is going to repeat itself on every page. Okay, so you're going to make sure your font is Times New Roman, 12-point font. Then you're going to come over here to where it says Right Align. You want to type in your last name with a space. Then you're going to go back, and this is really important, okay? If you just type in a 1, you're going to see the number 1 on every single page, okay? But if you go up here to Insert, and then you go down to Page Numbers, and you choose this first option right here, it's going to give you the one that's kind of grayed out. That will repeat or it will not repeat the number, it will change the number. So if you have 2, 3, 4 pages, it will change that, okay, automatically. So then to get out of the header, you just click down here and notice that that gray box went away. We do need to reset our font back to Times New Roman, 12-point font, and this is where we want to come over here to where it says line spacing and click on double. Then we're going to type in your first and last name, okay, and you're going to go through the heading. So you're going to put in the class name, which is English 7. You're going to put my name, and then you're going to put the day that this assignment is due, which is August 31st of 2020. Okay, then I'm going to hit enter 2 times. I'm going to center my cursor, and this is where I'm going to put a title. So you can put Annotated Bibliography right there. Okay, I'm going to hit enter 1 more time, actually 2 more times, and then I'm going to put my cursor back to left. If you don't remember to put it back to left, everything is going to be in that center. Okay, so now I have copied my citation from the bottom of that article, so I'm going to paste it. Oops, wrong thing. Let me go get my article. Okay, so I have my article. The citation is down here at the bottom. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to paste that. Why is it not working? Oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys. Let's try this again. Copy. Paste. Okay, there we go. So this is in, but it is not in the same format. So you'll notice maybe that the text is a little different. Anytime you copy and paste stuff, make sure that it's in the same format as the rest of your paper. So I'm going to go make it Times New Roman, 12-point font. It is already double spaced. Okay, and then I'm going to take this, I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to go to Format, and I'm going to go to Align and Indent, and then down here at the bottom where it says Indentation Options, and I'm going to choose Special Indent, Hanging, and that's going to format your works cited entry the correct way. Okay, then I'm going to hit enter 1 time, and this is where I'm going to start typing my summary. Now I know you haven't read the article, but I'll just do a quick little, I'm not going to do the 5 sentences, but I'll just do a quick little. The article starts with the story of a Jewish family. From New York. The author describes her memories as a child. Okay, and notice that it's still got this weird indentation. So I'm going to go back up here to Format, and I'm going to go back to Align and Indent and Indentation Options. And I want to make the rest of my paper with that, not the special. Be careful of what you highlight, because that happens a lot. So I'm going to fix that because I don't want this hanging in the rest of my paper. Okay, so that's how it should be. She describes her memories as a child growing up and how her mother had an abortion. She describes her adult life and her relationship with a new boyfriend. She ends up pregnant and gets an abortion because her relationship is so new. Sorry, it's hard to talk and type at the same time. Okay, so if that's my little summary, I am going to indent. Then I'm going to start a new paragraph. Okay, see, it's already indented, so it lines up right here. Okay, and right here. And this is where I'm going to start my explanation. So I would say this article can help explain my problem because it will show a personal reaction to abortion and how it can affect others. Okay, so remember that you would want to have 5 sentences minimum for your summary, and you would want 5 sentences minimum for your explanation. Then when you go to your next article, okay, you're going to put another couple spaces in between. So I'm going to go back to Gale. I'm going to go back to my results. And I'm going to find a second article, and we start the process over again. Okay, so I just want to show you how to put in that citation one more time. So I'm going to use Roe versus Wade because that's a very famous court case that has to do with abortion. So while we wait for that to load, okay, so here we go with Roe versus Wade, and this is why I really like the Gale database. It still provides you this MLA format. Okay, so I'm going to select it, and then you can hit Control C to copy, or you can right click and copy, and then you would go back into your article and you would hit Control V to paste, or you hit right click and paste. Okay, so again, I will want to change my text back to Times New Roman 12-point font, and then I would want to make my formatting that special hanging indent. Okay, and then again I would put my summary and my evaluation down below. Okay, and for this particular assignment you need 2 articles. So once I wrote my summary and my evaluation of this Roe versus Wade, I would be okay to turn it in. Okay, but just remember, this document will keep adding to it because you're going to need more research, and you'll add every time because you will turn this in with your final paper at the end of October. Okay, let me know if you guys have any other questions or if there's anything else you want me to explain with the annotated bibliography.